How long does it take to reel in a big fish? 2.5 hours. What do you call a rooster staring at a pile of lettuce? A chicken sees a salad. I could tell you a joke about trees. Maybe another time. For now, I'll leave you alone. What do you call a mythical creature who loves the spotlight? The centaur of attention. Rest in peace to boiling water. You will be missed. There's a reason why Daniel Craig has gray hair in the latest Bond movie. Because he has no time to die. Has anyone here said a joke about animals who only eat vegetables? I can't remember seeing one herbivore. Did you hear about the ATM that got addicted to money? It suffered from withdrawals. I got my daughter a fridge for her birthday. I can't wait to see her face light up when she opens it. I'm Bob Jeffy. Good night all. I'll be back tomorrow. Thank you. Hey Dad Joke listeners, if you are a fan of the NBA, check out my other podcast called Yesterday's NBA Results. I'll give you a quick review of NBA results and the individual outstanding performances from each game. Search for Yesterday's NBA Results from your podcast app or check the show notes page for more info. This podcast was generated using AutoGen podcast technology from Classic Studios. See the podcast show notes page for joke credits.